Thomas Brody Sangster and Talulah Riley are ready to tie the knot. The Love Actually star confirmed he's engaged to the actress via Instagram on Thursday and gave a sweet nod to one of his signature roles. Happy to announce that Talulah and I are engaged. Love is all around, wrote the actor, 33, quoting a line uttered by Hugh Grant's Prime Minister in the 2003 Christmas classic, not to mention a lyric from the Trogs song Holiday-ified by Bill Nye's Billy Mack in the movie. Riley, 37, also shared the news on Twitter alongside a cuddly photo of her with her now fiancé. Very happy to share that after 2 years of dating, Thomas Brody Sangster and I are engaged. She wrote. Brody Sangster is best known for his roles in Queen's Gambit, The Maze Runner, and Game of Thrones. Riley's credits that include Pride and Prejudice, Inception, and Westworld. The newly engaged pair first met when they worked on FX's Pistol, which follows the Sex Pistols' rise to fame. The limited series began filming in March 2021 in England, and Brody Sangster and Riley portray the tumultuous real-life couple, Sex Pistols manager Malcolm McLaren and fashion designer Vivienne Westwood, respectively. They first sparked romance rumors in August 2021 after they were spotted holding hands in London. They also made another PDA-filled outing in February 2022 before the two seemingly confirmed their relationship as they walked their first red carpet together at the 2022 British Academy Film Awards Gala dinner.